high-efficiency poreless coating machine. It consists of main machine, heater cabinet, exhaust cabinet, electronic cabinet, slurry tank, peristaltic pump, spray gun assembly. The surface all made of high-quality stainless and fine polished. BGW high-efficiency poreless coating machine is a high-efficiency, energy-saving, safe, clean, computer-controlled, and mechatronics equipment which is used for coating sugar, organic film, water-soluble film, slow and controlled release film on traditional Chinese and Western tablets and pills, including micro pills, small pills, water-binding pills, drop pills, and granulated pills, and conforms to the requirement of GMP. The film coating drum is with the porous structure above diameter 0.6 mm tablet coating, versatile in use. Main machine. It is composed of film coating porous drum, driving mechanism system, streamline guide plate, air ore, housing, distributor, cleaning and draining system, and touch screen. The tablet cores, micro pills, small pills or plain pills to be coated make continuous complicated orbital motion within the closed rotating drum under the action of the streamline guide plate. Controlled by computer and according to the optimum parameters, they are automatically sprayed with coating medium while hot air exchange under a negative pressure, so that the coating medium spray on the surface of the tablet cores will dry rapidly and evenly, thereby forming a layer of solid, compact, neat, and smooth surface film. Heat exchange procedure. 1. Tablet. Install duckmouth type or ellipse air ore to the quill shaft. The operating cylinder will drive the lap of the air ore to insert into the level of the tablet or capsule. Under the air draft pressure of exhaust blower, the hot air will be leaked from one side of the air division pipe to the center of the roller. The hot air will enter into the air ore with many small holes through the level of the tablet or capsule. Then the air will converge in another side of the air division pipe and exhaust to complete the heat exchange course. 2. Particle-making envelope. Installed elliptic particle-making ores on the hollow axis, and install the exhausting piping and hot air piping according to the diagram. The hot air is distributed and let into 2 ores from a side of the central air distribution tube of cylinder and blow into the particle layer from densely enveloped micro holes on the ores. Under the minus pressure action of the exhausting machine, the hot air rises through the particle layer, heating and drying them. Exhausted gas leaves the particle and enters into the envelope cylinder space, discharged from another side of the distribution tube. The heat exchange thus finished. Sprayed syrup and atomized syrup system. Many have electric heating, agitating tank, constant variable, peristaltic pump, spray gun assembly. Hot air cabinet. It mainly consists of centrifugal fan, primary effect, intermediate effect, and high effect filters, and heat exchangers and stainless steel components. It can take natural air from outside and filter it in after through primary effect, intermediate effect, and high effect filters. Can reach 100,000 clean grade. The heater air preheat and dry the tablet cores by through the stainless steel air pipe which connected to the main machine. Exhaust machine. It mainly consists of ash drawer, static proof bag filter, ash clearing mechanism, centrifugal fan, and stainless steel components. Its function is to discharge the film coating tail gas to the outdoors after dust removal, to make the interior of film coating drum be in a negative pressure state will not only help the coating on the surface of the tablet's core dry rapidly, but also enable the tail gas discharge to the outdoors to have got dust removal treatment, thereby confirming the requirements of environmental protection. Automatic discharging device. It consists of discharging tube and discharging hopper. Electric cabinets and programmable controller. Control system excluding Siemens 6 colors touch screen. All electric components including PLC, extended module, relative low pressure electric components, and inverter all installed in electric cabinet, and all operation control by touch screen. Installation. 1. During installation, the base anchor bolts should be carefully adjusted so that the main machine, air heater, and exhausted machine are kept level and every foot is stressed evenly. 2. Such as 150C, the rear side of main machine is at least 0.7 meter distant from the wall. The distance should be enlarged to 1.2 meters if possible. The two sides of the main machine should also be 1.2 meters distant from the wall for convenience of working, cleaning, and other operations. 3. Connection of air heater and air pipe. The air heater must be placed on the right or rear side of the main machine and should not be too far from the main machine. The air heater is at least 0.8 meters distant from the wall. The run of the main machine should also be 1.2 meters distant from the wall if possible for the convenience of working, cleaning, and other operations. It is recommended that the air pipe length between the main machine and the air heater should not be more than 1.5 to 2 meters. The pipeline should be so fabricated as to match the pipe diameters of the main machine and air heater, and is connected by using square and round connecting pipes. The distance between exhausting machine and main machine should be more longer. It is better in different rooms. Coating procedure. 1. Each batch is 80 to 130 kg per pan. Tablet core preheat. Start hot air and exhaust air. Then set the temperature at 60 to 75 centigrade. Preheat tablet temperature at 38 to 42 centigrade. 3. Spray gun adjustment. Spray gun lay at the center of the pan, and the distance of nozzle to tablet is 20 to 30 cm. 4. Flow adjustment. Remove spray gun out of pan. Adjust the flow in each gun to make flow balance. Use grass valve to adjust the suitable position. 5. Open coating machine and spray slurry at the same time. There is 2 to 4 turns per minute at step rotate speed. After 5 to 30 minutes, surface will form film, and speed can up to 6 to 9 turns. Then the flow also will quicker. At least the flow reduced to spray uniformly according to the coating technological and the quality of the tablet surface. 6. During spraying, negative pressure is 50 to 100 bar. Spray pressure is higher or equal to 4.0 kg per square meters. Tablet bed temperature is 38 to 43 centigrade. The real temperature setting according to the technological requirements. You should notice whether there are phenomena such as felt, temperature ascent, flow reduction, shatter, speed reduction, and exhaust air reduction. Adjust the speed of the heater and exhaust machine to equal the intake air and outtake air, and set automatic clean gun interval. 7. Look at tablet's color after the coating solution finish. If the color is evenly and surface is smooth, we can stop spraying when they are conform to quality requirements. 8. Procedure. Stop spray slurry. Stop compressed air. Stop hot air. Speed reduced to 2 turns per minute. Open exhaust air to cool the tablets at room temperature. 9. Tablets out. Install discharging device after stop the machine. Speed is 2 to 3 turns per minute. CIP cleaning system operation. 1. Open the drainage valve of cleaning liquid collecting tank and then start pressure pump to supply 80 centigrade water for 1 circle of automatic cleaning. 2. Upon the completion of prior step, close the pressure pump and corresponding water supply valve. The water inside rinse tank will discharge to the low water level till the level meter sends out the signal of no water, and then the drainage pump of rinse tank will close. 3. Open the pressure pump and corresponding discharge valve to resupply water till the water in the rinse tank rise to high level, and then close 80 centigrade water supply valve and pressure pump. Open metering pump of detergent, pressure pump, and output pump to supply the detergent. They will close when the detergent is up to the set quantity. Time. 4. Run the pressure pump and open circulating water valve to start the circulating cleaning. 5. Upon the completion of prior step, close circulating water valve and open the discharge valve to discharge the water out of the rinse tank till the lowest water level. 6. Open pure water supply valve. The pressure pump will start running. Open the corresponding discharge valve for the last circle of re-cleaning with pure water. Upon the completion of timing running, stop pressure pump and close 8 centigrade water supply valve. Close the drainage valve until the water in the rinse tank falls to the low water level. 7. Close all the water supply valve and convey compressed air to the pipeline to dry the clean bore and delivery pipe by starting the solenoid valve. Meanwhile, dry coating boiler and rinse tank pipeline by starting hot air as per the set time. 8. Stop operation. Upon the completion of set cleaning procedures, the system will automatically stop running. Remove the cleaning shower nozzle inside the coating roller and tighten the sealing cover.